Hey everyone, in this video I'm about to show you how to use Squibler to write book. First, go to the Squibler website using your computer or browser. Then click on sign up at the top right corner of the page. Now it will ask what you want to write today. Click on book. Next, it will ask how you want to start. You can choose generate a full-length book with AI if you want a book written for you, or generate a personalized outline with AI if you want a custom plan first. Now enter your book title, for example, How to Become Rich. Then write a short description of what your book is about, for example, How to Become Rich Through Entrepreneurship Even If You're Poor, Top Strategy to Achieve Your Goals and Become Successful. Use a slider to set an approximate page count based on how long you want a book to be. After that, click on Generate Your Book. Now the AI will begin working. You'll see it generating your chapters and content. Once the book is ready, you can preview it. To continue editing or downloading, you need to sign up with Google. Then you'll see the pricing plans: $16 per month for the annual plan or $29 per month for the monthly plan. Choose a plan, enter your card number and payment details, and finish signing up. That's it, your AI-generated book is now ready to edit, save, or publish. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.